A welcome banner has 3 rectangles in a row at the bottom. Their areas are 20, 12, and 16 square centimeters. They all share the same height. A top cap rectangle sits on the first 2. The last 2 bottom rectangles together are 7 centimeters wide. The cap is 5 centimeters tall. Find the area of the cap. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Combine areas of rectangles that share a side. Look at the last 2 bottom rectangles. They share their height with each other. Group them. Their areas add to 12 plus 16. That is 28. Their widths add to 7. So the shared height is 28 divided by 7. That equals 4 centimeters. That is the bottom row height. Now group the first 2 bottom rectangles. They share that same 4 centimeter height. Their areas add to 20 plus 12. That is 32. Their combined width is 32 divided by 4. That equals 8 centimeters. The cap sits on those first 2, so the cap is 8 centimeters wide. The cap area is 8 times 5. That is 40 square centimeters. This is the group and divide rule. When rectangles in a row share a height, group their areas. Group their widths. Divide one by the other to reveal the shared height. 20 plus 12 divided by 8 equals 4. Then use that height to find the cap width. Multiply by the cap height for the answer. Same unlock, scaled up. Find the unlock first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.